What if you could scan 5,000 plus pages in seconds, auto-flag every duplicate article with a free Python script, and reclaim lost SEO traffic, all without spending a dime? We will show you exactly how to in the next few minutes. What's up, marketers and site owners? Welcome back to Digitalonian, your go-to for the latest in SEO automation, AI, and custom scripting. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest hidden pitfalls on your website: duplicate content detection. You've probably heard about automation platforms like N8N or the hottest LLMs, including OpenAI's models like O3, O4, Google Gemini Pro, oops, wrong Google Gemini image, Manus AI, Grok, and DeepSeek. But they can get real expensive, real fast if you're looking for the best results. What if I told you there's one SEO marketing automation you can implement today? Completely free, scalable, and using only open source modules. That's web page duplicate content checking using AI-powered embeddings that can automatically spot near identical pages. First two pages, page A and page B, are converted into numeric vectors that capture their full text meaning, the embedding circle. Next, the cosine similarity between those vectors is calculated, 0.92 in this example, meaning the pages share 92% of their semantic content. Finally, when the score exceeds our threshold, both pages are flagged as duplicates. Embeddings go beyond exact keywords to understand context and nuance. Cosine similarity gives you a single score you can threshold. Automating this at scale prevents content cannibalization, protects SEO, and keeps Google happy. Duplicate content can trigger manual actions by the big G. In one deep audit of a SaaS client, we saw their daily organic clicks plunge from roughly 1,400 down to just 350, a 75% drop, because hundreds of pages were near identical and missing proper 301 redirects. Before moving on to the main method, let's briefly show you what happened when we tried to identify duplication through some of the top LLMs and a premium duplication detection tool. Siteliner only flags the menu, header, and footer. Yeah, no shit. Sherlock, every page on NordVPN will share that boilerplate. Gemini Pro, error, exceeded token limit. It wasn't designed for thousands of pages. ChatGPT O4 Mini spit out a Python script that inevitably crashes. Let's get to the main method. Step 1. Open Google Sheets or Excel with your sitemap URLs. File, save as, text, tab delimited, txt. Ensure the first row starts with the URLs, no extra spaces. Step 2. Open Colab terminal cell. Paste and run the command watch each package download. Why it matters: Newspaper 3K pulls content. Sentence transformers and scikit-learn build and compare embeddings. NumPy powers the math. Step 3. Install HTML clean support. Step 4. Upload the URLs after changing the file name to urls.txt. Step 5. Paste and run the main script. In under 3 minutes on Colab, we found 40 plus high-impact duplicates from the 5,087 URLs detected by the Python script. No paid API, no setup cost. The output was exported with the matching words and their cosine similarity in 20 minutes. This script automates the detection of near duplicate web pages by first loading a list of URLs from a tab delimited text file, then scraping each page's main content with Newspaper 3K, converting that content into semantic embeddings via a pre-trained sentence transformer model, computing pairwise cosine similarities, applying a contiguous block filter of at least 50 matching words to weed out trivial overlaps, and finally exporting all high-confidence duplicate pairs. We found 1,000 plus word feature posts copy-pasted across NordVPN's region-specific pages, diluting link juice and sending Google's crawler in circles. Stretch-thin NordVPN? Digitalonian's content team can whip up original, geo-targeted copy faster than you can say duplicate penalty. Remember that SaaS client mentioned in the beginning? We ran this very method, cleaned up duplicates, implemented proper 301 redirects, and added schema-rich FAQs, and their daily clicks rebounded to about 1,200 within 3 months, an increase of over 240%. Why this matters? Left unchecked, duplicate content splits your link equity, confuses Google's crawlers, invites manual actions. That's it, a free scalable, AI-powered web page, duplicate content checker. No monthly fees or API costs. If you're struggling with duplicate pages, drop a comment below or message us at Digitalonian. We'll help you implement it on your site. Thanks for watching Digitalonian. Until next time, keep optimizing.